Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I want to show you guys how to create a loop video for if you are want to create ambient video on YouTube. So I will not explain about how important it is, but for you already know that this kind of technique is important for us in making money on YouTube. Here how to make a loop video like a background music or a background wallpaper and so. For example, I already have this video generated by Gemini. I will loop it using the CapCut. So I will download it. Okay. And then I will create a project on my CapCut. And then simply import the video like this. And then add to the track here. And then over here, like before beginning, you just press Ctrl B, or you slice it out to make it more smoother. Okay, I will slide it by press Ctrl B on my Windows, and then delete this one, and then you just copy this one, all the whole track here, and then put it next to your previous video. Like here on the edge, it will be not looping, but not so seamless. What you have to do, you just go to the second track here, you reverse it. You reverse, which means it will play from the end of the track, reverse to the start. So to the beginning of your video. I click reverse. It took some times, and then later when I play, as you can see, now I have very smooth loop. So it like smoothing the loop, reverse it, and then later I will Ctrl C on it and then paste on it. And then I can make it for 2 hours, 3 hours or anything. But the thing is, make sure your computer or your laptop has the good strike. I mean the good hardware to render multi-track like this, because for this only copying for kind of those only got 30 seconds. For instance, I will copy it again. I have only 1 minute, and if I want to go for 60 minutes or 1 hour, it will be long track, and it's heavy for many of computer. So I have another trick. You just drag this one and then make the speed into half it. So it would be a little bit rigid, but it's still a loop, as you can see. Okay, for every edge it will be looped like that. It's so good. And then I could make it more easier if I want to make it for 1 hour. So that's it guys, this video. I hope you can help. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.